A very good afternoon to you. A big improvement on yesterday for many of us with brighter skies, plenty of perky sunshine out there, warming up as the week wears on with increasingly humid and thundery conditions. We've got perfect blue skies and plenty of perky sunshine. As you can see on the earlier satellite and radar picture, the glitch will be a little more cloud cover across northern Scotland and Northern Ireland. And after a slow grey start in the south, the cloud gradually lifting and breaking, cheering up quite nicely as the afternoon wears on. As the sunshine gets to work, temperatures doing way better than the last few days. Highs of 25 or 26 degrees this afternoon, peaking across the Channel Islands at 28 degrees. It's this area that'll see the first signs of the warm, humid air from the near continent. And some late and low sunshine before dusk, staying relatively mild with the increasingly muggy air. A similar theme tonight, temperatures not sliding too far, but a little more action across the south and the west come dawn with hefty downpours, and some of these will be thundery. And humid conditions as temperatures bounce up a fair few degrees, a high chance of thundery downpour for 48 hours. Already thunderstorm warnings in place through much of tomorrow, and we've got a southerly airflow and with unstable volatile air in the upper atmosphere with the heat and humid conditions from the near continent. Intense thundery downpours roll their way from south to north through the next 24 hours, particularly further west. Some gusty winds associated with the downpours, and then the same process occurs into the latter stages of Friday. By then, near heat wave conditions across the eastern side of England, close to 30 degrees, but with the muggy humid air, a high chance of intense prolonged thundery rain moving through many areas through the latter stages of the day. A fine summer's evening, staying mild out there, some late and low sunshine before dusk, and then overnight temperatures not slipping too far for some of us with the increasingly muggy air from the near continent, the sign of things to come. Not much below 16 or 17 degrees for some come dawn, with a little more action further south and further west. Here the first signs of intense thundery downpours as we head into the new day. Further north, further east, staying a little drier if a little breezy, and a split setup into Thursday morning with the early sunshine across the north and the east. Temperatures bounce up a fair few degrees. Otherwise, intense thundery downpours rolling their way northwards, quite gusty winds, the chance of lightning and hail. Highs of 27 degrees or so, feeling humid and muggy. A very good evening to you. Sunshine a little more limited as the week wears on. With the increasingly warm, humid air, thundery downpours get going in the next 24 to 48 hours. Already warnings in place for thunderstorms through much of tomorrow and Friday. As for the next few hours, staying mild out there as the increasingly muggy air is drawn in from the south. It stays quite breezy and dry across the north and the east through into the early hours. A little more action further west with the first signs of intense thundery downpours rolling in from the near continent. Temperatures not slipping much below 16 or 17 degrees, so a muggy start to the new day despite the cloud and the rain, and very much a split setup on Thursday, bright and breezy across the north and the east. The sunshine ensuring temperatures bounce up a few degrees, but hefty downpours further south and further west. Prolonged, gusty downpours with rumbles of thunder, the chance of lightning and hail. Highs of 26 or 27, so feeling quite humid.